Thank you, Dad. You're the best dad ever. I love you.
What's up, Changedom peeps? Reginal here at the Changedom Experience with another Changedom Creations for Father's Day. I ask when you watch my video, please give my video a thumbs up and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being a part of the Changedom Experience, the new and the old peeps. I appreciate your support. Now, so what we're doing today, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that you guys know how it is that we're gonna put a design together. Let's go ahead and show you the design. As you can see, the child is stepping up to the father with open arms. Let's raise our children. Stepping up to fatherhood. Let's go. So let's go ahead and get the white letters cut out first, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the black pattern and go ahead and get that cut out through the silhouette cameo. But first, what I'm gonna do is, since it's two different colors, we're gonna have to separate these patterns. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the stepping up portion, right? By horizontal, flipping it horizontal. This is the white design. So we're gonna go ahead and load our white material into the Cameo 3 so we can go ahead and get it cut out right fast. Come on. Again, all we're doing here is gonna go ahead and load this material in, make sure it's set. Let's go ahead and send it as is. Seeing that it's Father's Day, sacrifice is necessary. Know that if you're having children. Now that our white design is all cut out, let's go ahead and pull it. All right, let's see what it do. Just like that, first design's complete. Just about. Hey! Now we're gonna go ahead and get our black design off in here. Let's go ahead and flip it horizontally as well so it makes sense when it hits the shirt. Get ready to send this. Then we're going to transfer our designs onto the shirt. This is a Father's Day tribute to all of the dads out there that are stepping up to fatherhood, trying to be the best example no matter what. No one out there knows what they're doing when it comes to parenting, so have great joy in stepping up to be a father, because as Frederick Douglass said, it's easier to raise strong children than repair broken men. So what we're going to do next is get the moisture out of the red shirt to make sure the design transfer nicely. I got it set for 15 seconds on the timer at 310 degrees for heat press. right, let's go ahead and reset it and get ready for our design to get put on. First thing we're gonna do is put the middle design on, and that's gonna gauge the lettering. First press is going to go down for 15 seconds. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and get the plastic off of our shirt. And the second, since this is a multicolored design and the second design is white, we're going to go ahead and put both of these white designs on at the same time. And then we're going to do one more press. That's going to be three presses to make sure the design transfers cleanly. We're going to air out our design because the white is not a hot peel, it's a cold peel. We've gotten the plastic off of the material and transferred onto the shirt. Now we're going to do a third press. I didn't have a father in my life, and I too have to try my best, even when my pride gets in the way, to reset and start over, no matter how long it takes. I love you, son. I have had many examples of strong men that stepped up in my life, including friends and family. I learned from each of you. I salute you for stepping up as your best self for your children and kids that don't have fathers. Let's step up to fatherhood and raise the future.
Here is the most good in the whole world, and all of you. Bye.